Hello everyone, we are going to talk about Reduce PM. Time of workbench enhance efficiency. For example, we use the auto force spray system to wash base by itself. It's auto. Instead, by wash by manpower. So use the auto force spray system to reduce the PM time because it's got higher efficiency than human being job, and they also avoid injured. And equipment engineer usually manually measured the flow rate with the pump or the purge device during PM time. If we use a flow meter capable send out the digital signal, and we buy the workbench equipped, or we modify all the sensor that it could be transferring digital data to CIN to let engineer check it with real-time value by SPC chart instead of human measuring manually job. To reduce PM time, we don't have to do any major job during the PM time. Also, we reduce the PM time too. And we have a dual filter system of all the system, which filter equipped. So we have the dual filter. We mean that it's a quick switch filter. Originally, we use the filter A to do a job. During the PM action, we switch to use the new B filter instead of the used filter A, and then finish this filter job. Just quick switch. Then back to run the production with the workbench. Then equipment engineer renew the filter A after PM time. Just find sometimes to replace it. So during the PM time, use the quick filter switch to let this job quickly done, and find another day to renew the filter A to short the PM time. And this is the workbench. As I said, just we want to buy a workbench with equipped full of digital data output capability. Transfer hold the set value and parameter real value out to CIN and to SBC as we talked about before. It is almost the basic requirement in the future. Instead of equipment engineer record the set value and the real value manually every day to reduce the PM time. And we got make Hall sensor and probe or meter or computer controller which designed or modified to be anti-corrosion capable. It's very important is to reduce PM time to replace the parts which damaged by chemical corrosion. So, for example, this is the computer or controller assembly. We used a box to seal it and with the nitrogen filling to isolate the corrosion gas to damage the computer and the controller. And about, for example, a proximity sensor use the anti-corrosion material with it, and a photo sensor and its amp also be anti-corrosion material to save the PM time and to avoid equipment get down. And all the electric cable covered with anti-corrosion to isolate it. So all the cable just covered the anti-corrosion material to avoid the cable get damaged by corrosion. Okay, let's see you next time.